Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the event or patch that adds the golden penguin is active. This matters because spawn mechanics change. Once done, verify you have 3 bait, a golden lure, and 1 upgrade token in inventory so you won't interrupt the sequence. Move to the ice cove at the specified spawn window and make sure to disable risky PvP zones or use a duo group for safety. This immediate setup speeds the first spawn attempts and preserves limited You now focus on triggering the spawn sequence precisely. Timing and order are key. First, place the golden lure at the cove center exactly when the spawn window opens because the lure sets the rarity flag. Then execute the bait sequence. Use half bait, pause 30 seconds to let the script progress, then apply full bait. Interruptions reset the timer. Make sure to silence mounts and activate stealth so ambient noise won't cancel the encounter, and clear mobs that could draw aggro. You're at the finish line. When the golden penguin appears, react to its behavior quickly. If it attempts to flee, use a stun or sleep ability and then deploy your net or trap item to secure it. Speed reduces escape chances. If the penguin never spawns, leave the zone and wait a full respawn cycle before trying again, because persistence resets server state. If you suspect client desyncs, relog or clear game cache. This often fixes invisible or non-interactive spawns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.